mango? There's more mango here. For Raya.
Oh, thank you.
And just put it here.
No,
Because
no,
your hands is full.
My hands are not full. It's just one.
You don't.
Fruits and berries are so good.
Philippine mango and it's sour. It's sour, babe. I'm gonna.
Ooh, sweet.
Oh, sweet. I'm gonna open for you.
Oh, no, my hands are dirty. Oh,
My hands is dirty?
Oh, yeah. Oh, your
No.
hands are clean.
Yeah, my hands is clean.
My hands are real funny.
Hey, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Nakakatuwa ng tunga po ko, guys.
I'm a burper.
You're a barber.
No, I'm not you.
Okay, here.
Not like this.
It's okay. That's feel. Just hold it like that. And then you can bite. That's how,
I'm not
that's
you.
the way ganyan kami kumain ng mangga. Ganyan.
Okay.
Pakita mo sa kanila. Pakita mo sa kanila yung mangga mo. Kung paano mo kainin. Yan. Binababa lang balat. Tapos kinakagat ang laman. Maasim? Maasim, be?
Nope.
No? Matamis?
Sour.
Oh, maasim kung sour. You like sour, eh? Maasim.
Sim, Mom.
Maasim. Go bite, bite. Matamis ba?
Yeah?
Okay. Go eat properly, be. Go bite, bite.
Big bang, big bang.
Excuse me.
No,
Mm.
you're a burper.
Ay, me too. Pareho tayong mahilig mag-burp. Okay, here. Saan na yung, ano?
Tummy ache of eating a lot of snacks.
Ito, oh.
I have a tummy ache of eating a lot of chocolate. And
Huwag kumain ng maraming chocolate kasi chocolate is not good, oh.
thank you.
Welcome. Makain siya, guys, ng kangkong. Hinaluan ni lolo niya ng kangkong.
That's. I want this crunchy
ito, oh,
thing.
gusto niya to, oh. Yung ano ng kangkong, oh.
I want the
Crunchy
crunchy.
kasi. Para siyang ano. Gusto niya to, oh, yung ano ng kangkong. Yung stick ba ng kangkong. I'm gonna give you soup, okay? Here. Give you wait. Thank you. Nabasa ba leg mo? No, hindi. Okay. Bite your banana. I mean your banana. Your manga.
That's a manga.
Yeah, that's manga. Bite. Masarap hindi. Masarap hindi.
It's just masarap.
Oh, masarap.
Ooh, this was a really big chair.
Ito pa, oh.
Huh? Huh?
Dali na, kay malapit na natin pick upin si na friend mo. Dali
Okay.
na.
Maybe I eat too much.
You eat too much? Okay, last one.
It's okay.
Last
I'm
one.
this
Mm,
full.
mm-mm.
I'm full.
You're full. Oh, finish this one then. Huminga ng malalim. Hey, don't eat like that.
Okay.
No, kagatin mo. Kagat. Ay, ganyan. Kagat. Ubusin mo na yan. Kung
It's
gusto mo.
sweet.
Sweet? Okay.
Yummy.
Yummy. Oh. Kagat. Okay na, ibaba ko yung balat. Sabi mo, busog ka na siguro. Kumain ka pa ng pakwan.
Popcorn?
Pakwan.
No, popcorn. That's popcorn.
Kagat.
Popcorn.
Kagat, be, kagat.
So bouncy.
Bouncy. Kagat, kagat.
Wow.
Ay, hindi ganyan. Kagat nicely. Yan. Okay, pick upin natin yung iyong mga friends. Sino ba ang friends mo?
Helen.
Si Helen. Sino pa?
Lindros.
Si Lendro. Sino pa?
Lee and Anne.
Lee at saka si Ann. Sila yung mga friends mo. Best friends. Ate. Sila yung ate mo at si kuya.
Kuya.